Warning: the following video clip contains offensive and vulgar language, such as fuck, bitch, and whore. Viewer discretion is advised. You cheeky bastards.
Yo, yo, yo. Got our giveaway. So the giveaway officially will end tomorrow, September 30th at 5 p.m. Central Time. Again, the giveaway will be done at 5 p.m. Central Time tomorrow. I will choose a winner by the end of tomorrow. However way I'll choose the winner, it's, I don't know, I think I'll just do a draw, and we'll have one of my daughters pick the winner. Now I'm not going to have this on video, of course, because my wife doesn't like having my kids on YouTube. So that being said, we'll choose a winner, and I'll let you guys know the winner by the end of the day tomorrow. I just wanted to go over the entries, who have entered. We'll go from there. First entry we have here is Robert Walters. We have 007 Ryan, punhulk. We get David Misery. I think so. Wake 101. Again, I think I butchered that. Fringe Sniper. Vince Hawk. Paco Loco. California Prepper. Midnight Sigh, I guess. Mule Team 66. Will probably be on the hangout tonight at Green Dragon Tavern. So if you guys don't know what this is, I'll put a link. The A.L. Owens, Dead Winner, Yankee 4, St. Louis Ray Edwards, and I think this is a support video. Ray, please let me know if you want to be part of the giveaway or not. I think it's support, but let's just go from there. If you are part of the support of the part of the contest, you do have 2 entries because you did donate some cash to the contest. Same like Mule 66, you do have 2 entries because you donated part. Punhulk as well donated some parts. Who else? We said Long 13 Hair, Scott's Gun Channel 1, another Minnesotan, Chris J. Barton, this one, Joshua Sigmund, Johnny Dunn, Poison Stinger, John Solar 283. I think this is a support video as well. If you do want to be considered for the giveaway, let me know. You do have 2 entries as well. He donated a bunch of stuff. The Sick Man 99, Double Orion again. I'm not sure why, so I'll just need to remove this. We'll remove this later. El Tanda Fabrizio, cool channel. Irish USMC vet, Mr. BO52, Well Hill, Mark 16, and he is still alive, people. He's making videos as well. Somehow I haven't seen some videos from him, and hopefully YouTube did not unsub me, but I think I am subbed to him now again, or I've seen a couple of videos lately. Carrying Cowgirl, Ddarmssurvival Piper, EMT Rail Fan, and My Big Thing 2010. If I don't see your entry here, please contact me ASAP with a link to your video, and we'll go from there. So let's just see if the actual video still have anything shown as. Let's close this here. I'd assume no video response is showing. Of course. So guys, I don't see anything other than the ones that I showed. If you have any other entries, please contact me ASAP so you can make sure we put it in. Contest will end tomorrow, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you want to enter, please make sure you send your video responsive. Thank you. Bye.